Step into a realm where nature's exquisite tapestry unfolds before your eyes. Witness the grandeur of towering mountains piercing the sky, their peaks kissed by the golden sun. The camera sweeps over vast oceans where waves crash gently upon pristine shores, each splash a reminder of nature's rhythmic dance. Lush forests invite exploration, sunlight filtering through leaves, creating a canopy of green that seems to breathe with life. As the journey progresses, we're met with vibrant sunsets that paint the horizon in hues of orange, pink, and violet, a captivating farewell of the day. Each frame immerses you deeper into the natural wonders of our world, stirring a sense of awe and appreciation. Let this visual adventure remind you of the breathtaking beauty surrounding us, urging you to reconnect with nature and its many marvels. Nature is an intricate masterpiece, a vivid tapestry woven with colors, sounds, and movements that invigorate our senses. Imagine standing at the edge of a great cliff where the horizon stretches infinitely, merging the deep azure ocean with a sky painted in hues of orange and pink during sunset. Each wave crashes against the rocks below, creating a symphony of sound, while a gentle breeze carries the scent of salt and wildflowers. Wildlife flourishes within this breathtaking backdrop. Picture a family of deer gracefully grazing in a sun-drenched meadow, their delicate forms painted with soft earth tones, camouflaged amongst the vibrant greens and yellows of wild grasses. Above, an eagle soars effortlessly against the cerulean sky, its majestic wings outstretched as it scans the ground for any sign of movement. Every corner of nature pulses with life, exuding a rhythm that captivates and enchants. Exploring the dense forests, a kaleidoscope of colors unfolds. Here, towering trees stretch high into the sky, their leaves rustling gently like a whispered secret. Sunlight filters through the canopy, illuminating patches of soft moss that blanket the forest floor, while vibrant wildflowers burst forth in an unexpected riot of colors. The air buzzes with the songs of hidden birds and the murmurs of unseen creatures, creating an intimate connection with a world that thrives independently. Streams gurgle and dance over polished stones, carving paths through the landscape, while waterfalls cascade down rocky cliffs, their mist creating rainbows that shimmer in sunlight. Nature serve as a gentle reminder of our place within the vastness of the world. In appreciating the beauty of nature, we not only find refuge from the hustle and bustle of daily life, but also a revitalizing energy that empowers us. Magnificent landscapes and diverse wildlife together brings us closer to the earth and its wonders. Nature, a timeless artist, has painted a magnificent canvas across our planet, inviting us to dive deep into its spectacular domains. Let us embark on an awe-inspiring journey that begins in the majestic Swiss Alps, where the air is crisp and clear, and towering snow-capped peaks seem to touch the very fabric of the sky. The breathtaking panoramas are filled with shimmering glaciers reflecting the sun, and lush pine forests that beckon with an inviting embrace. Each moment in this serene landscape invites contemplation, as the sound of distant avalanches echoes like nature's symphony. As we traverse from the tranquil heights of the Alps, prepare to be swept away into the vibrant heart of the Amazon rainforest. This lush paradise bursts forth with life, each inch teeming with vibrant flora and fauna. Towering trees create a verdant canopy, filtering sunlight in delicious rays that dance upon the vibrant undergrowth. Birds of all colors flit through the foliage, their calls merging into a melodious cacophony that celebrates life itself. Amazon, often referred to as the lungs of our planet, is a testament to the diversity of life. As we delve deeper into its embrace, the dazzling array of wildlife reveals itself. Monkeys swing gracefully from branch to branch while jaguars stealthily navigate the underbrush, their gaze penetrating deep into the soul of the jungle. Insects buzz and flutter, a living tapestry of color and sound that captivates the senses. Rivulets of crystal clear water snake through the foliage, home to an abundant array of aquatic life. The beauty of the Swiss Alps and the intoxicating vibrancy of the Amazon rainforest converge into a narrative of peace and natural wonder. The night sky unfolds like a vast tapestry, revealing the stunning beauty of the cosmos above us. Each flicker of starlight, each swirl of the Milky Way, tells a story of the universe's grandeur and mystery. Imagine standing in a vast open field, the cool breeze brushing against your skin as you look up at the magnificent swirl of the Milky Way. Let us cherish these breathtaking views and inspire in ourselves a sense of wonder, inviting us to explore the infinite intricacies of the universe, differences that unite rather than divide. Imagine immersing yourself in the grandeur of ancient architecture, where every reflecting the ingenuity of its creators. From the majestic spires of cathedrals to the intricate designs of temples, each edifice stands as a testament to the rich heritage of diverse civilizations. It forms into a mosaic of colors and sounds, a kaleidoscope of experiences that highlight rich cultural landscapes that exist around the world. We have traversed vibrant landscapes, marveled at the intricacies in its many forms is a fleeting yet powerful force. It's in the rustle of leaves on a gentle breeze, the colors painting the sunset sky, and the laughter shared among friends. A growing community of enthusiasts who appreciate the charm of our world, to be ignited by the allure of nature, art, and human connection. Lush green trees sway gently in the breeze, and the sound of soft birdsong fills the air, inviting a sense of peace and reflection. Let us embrace each moment, finding solace and inspiration in the breathtaking scenes to come.